Olives, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another curly review. Shea Moisture Australia kindly gifted me this collection. It's the Daily Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner and also their leave-in conditioner. It says it's for all hair types and it cleanses, nourishes, rehydrates and softens the hair. It's got coconut milk and how do you say it? Acacia Senegal? Acacia Senegal? I don't know. But yes, I'm going to be trying these out today. I'm going to see how well they perform on my curls. This is the leave-in treatment. It detangles, protects and controls frizz. So I'm going to use this to style after I wash my hair with the shampoo and conditioner. This video isn't sponsored, but yes, they did gift me these items and I'm doing a giveaway with them on Instagram. So if you want a chance to win this collection, just go check out my Instagram and Shea Moisture Australia's Instagram. Unfortunately, it's just for Australian participants, but I will be doing more giveaways in the future that will be international. So I'll show you the state of my hair now and we'll do a before and after comparison to see how well the products will style my curls. So I have a photo shoot tomorrow, so I actually really hope that this will work well with my curls and they'll last until tomorrow. But yeah, this is the state. They're not defined, they're not looking their best, they're pretty like frizzed out and flat. Shea Moisture was honestly one of the first brands I bought when I started transitioning from straight to curly hair, because I love how they have products dedicated to thick curly hair. My hair is really thick, and they also use like natural organic ingredients with no sulfates, parabens, silicons. That's really good if you're trying to revive your hair from heat damage and whatnot. Anyway, I'm gonna jump in the shower and I'll be back when my hair is wet. Okay, so I just washed my hair, we're out of the shower, and I'm gonna apply the leave-in treatment. I think I dropped it and broke the spray because before it was like spraying like psh, but now it's like a little skinny one. But anyway, we'll make it work. So this has coconut meal and Acacia Senegal, is that how you say it? And coconut oil as well. Okay, so we have that treatment in. I'm also gonna add a mousse. I don't think I've seen Shea Moisture do a mousse here in Australia, but I'm going to use the Curls Green Collection Avocado Hair Mousse. I've been obsessed with this stuff lately. It just provides really nice definition and volume. And I'm gonna brush through with the Denman brush. This will make sure that the conditioner and the mousse is all spread evenly throughout my hair. And then just scrunching through. And I'm gonna finish off with a gel because I do want my curls to hold until tomorrow. I'm going to use the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Quinoa Frizz Control Gel. And just scrunch that through. And I'm just going to define my bangs with the brush. Just defining bits that tend to get frizzy easily. Okay, so that's the styling done. I'm gonna go eat some lunch and let my hair air dry for a while and then I'm gonna diffuse it. So I'll see you then. Okay, so here we have the results. The results are in. The sun's coming really strong through the window, so sorry if the lighting's a bit funny. but we've got some shiny, bouncy, defined curls. They are so soft. I think it's the leave-in treatment that makes them so soft. They're still a bit wet on the ends, if you can see like some wispy ends. They're still just a bit wet because I am impatient when it comes to drying my hair. My hair takes forever to dry because I just have a lot of layers. It's very thick. I feel like every time I wash my hair, it comes out differently every time, but it's probably only slight differences that I can tell. Like today, the curls are a lot smaller and they're a bit wispy on the ends. I don't know if that's just because it's still a bit wet. It feels super, super soft today, so I think that's the new collection, showing how it makes your curls really nourished. Sometimes when I use new shampoos and conditioners, the volume disappears and it's too heavy like on my roots and stuff. But this collection has not weighed my hair down at all. I've still got the volume. Let me know what you guys think if you've recently watched my other review videos that I've done with Brio Geo, Bounce Curl. Let me know your thoughts on these results. I'm really happy with this, and to protect them so that they last for tomorrow for my photo shoot, I'm gonna wrap it in, I have like a satin, it's kind of like a shower cap that I put on, but it's satin, and then I use just some clips to make sure it doesn't slip off when I sleep, and that will hopefully keep them nice and defined and shiny for tomorrow. Alright, I'm so happy with all the products I use. They worked really well together. Thank you to Shea Moisture for gifting me this collection. If you guys want to try win it in the giveaway, just head to my Instagram and Shea Moisture Australia's Instagram. Let me know what other products you want to see me review. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.